Alright guys, I'm going to do a review of this Martin's apple chips. I've done their review of the original ones. This is their apple cinnamon. This is at Costco. And check this out. There's the ingredients: apple, sugar, and cinnamon. And if you're curious how much sugar, it's quite a bit. 31 grams of sugar. So, yeah. So, but let's do a quick taste test. And this was like one of the only ones they had there. So, okay, so that's what they look like. And you can really smell the cinnamon in here, so. I mean, yeah, you get the cinnamon in there, but I actually prefer the original more. And then you can just add your own cinnamon to it, right? So then you won't have the sugar, but that's me. But I know they added sugar to it, but it's really not even that sweet, so. Because the apples are kind of sour, so. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.